Space is amazing! It's a vast, mysterious expanse that has fascinated humanity for centuries. From the twinkling stars that dot the night sky to the distant galaxies that are millions of light years away, space holds countless wonders waiting to be discovered. It's full of stars, planets, and galaxies. Each one is unique, with its own set of characteristics and mysteries. The sheer number of celestial bodies out there is mind-boggling, and we have only just begun to scratch the surface of what lies beyond our own planet. Our solar system is one tiny part of space, but it's our home. Let's explore it. Within this vast universe, our solar system is like a small neighborhood, a familiar place amidst the unknown. It's where we live, and it's filled with fascinating objects and phenomena. Our solar system is like a giant neighborhood in space. Each planet, moon, and asteroid is like a neighbor with its own unique story and characteristics. From the rocky inner planets to the gas giants and icy bodies in the outer reaches, there's so much to learn and discover. At the center is a star, the sun. It's the heart of our solar system, providing the light and heat that make life on Earth possible. The sun is a massive, glowing ball of gas that has been burning for billions of years. Around the sun, 8 planets orbit. Each one follows its own path, held in place by the sun's gravitational pull. These planets range from the scorching hot Mercury to the distant, icy Neptune. Each planet has its own story. From the red, dusty surface of Mars to the swirling storms of Jupiter, every planet is a world unto itself, with unique features and environments. We'll journey from the scorching heat near the sun. Starting with Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, where temperatures can soar to extreme levels, and Venus, with its thick, toxic atmosphere. We'll travel to the icy outer regions, venturing out to the gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, and further still to the icy worlds of Uranus and Neptune, where the temperatures plummet and the mysteries deepen. Get ready to see planets, moons, and more. Our journey through the solar system will take us to moons with volcanic activity, asteroids that have been around since the dawn of the solar system, and comets that blaze through the sky. There's so much to explore and discover in our cosmic backyard. The sun is a star, a giant ball of hot gas. It's the most important part of our solar system. Without the sun, there would be no life on Earth. The sun's gravity holds everything together. It keeps the planets in their orbits. It provides light and heat to our planet. The sun is incredibly powerful. It releases huge amounts of energy. We see this energy as light and heat. Let's embark on an incredible journey through our solar system and visit the planets. We'll start with Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. Mercury is a fascinating world with many unique characteristics. Mercury is a small, rocky planet. Its surface is covered with craters, much like our moon, due to countless impacts from asteroids and comets over billions of years. It's extremely hot during the day, with temperatures soaring up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. However, at night it can drop to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus is next. Venus is very hot too, even hotter than Mercury. Its surface temperature can reach a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. It has a thick atmosphere that traps heat, composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Earth is our home planet. It's a vibrant world teeming with life, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. It's the only planet we know of that has life. Earth's diverse ecosystems support millions of species, including humans. Earth is just the right distance from the sun, not too hot and not too cold. This perfect balance, known as the Goldilocks zone, allows liquid water to exist, which is essential for life as we know it. Mars is called the red planet. Its reddish color is due to iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. It has a reddish color because of iron oxide, which is rust. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and a canyon system, Valles Marineris, that dwarfs the Grand Canyon. Scientists think Mars may have had life in the past. Evidence of ancient riverbeds and minerals that form in water suggest that liquid water once flowed on Mars. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It's a gas giant, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. It's a gas giant with a giant red spot. This great red spot is a massive storm, larger than Earth, that has been raging for at least 400 years. This spot is a massive storm. Jupiter also has a faint ring system and dozens of moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system. Saturn is famous for its rings. These rings are made of countless small particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny grains to large boulders. These rings are made of ice and rock. Saturn's rings are the most extensive and complex ring system in our solar system. Saturn is also a gas giant, like Jupiter. It has a thick atmosphere composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. Uranus is an ice giant. Its blue color comes from methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. It's tilted on its side, so its rings go around it vertically. This unique tilt causes extreme seasonal variations, with each pole getting around 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It's another ice giant, similar in composition to Uranus. It's a very cold and windy planet. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 200 miles per hour. Its deep blue color is also due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. Asteroids are rocky bodies that orbit the Sun. They are much smaller than planets. Most asteroids are found in the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is like a giant racetrack between Mars and Jupiter. Millions of asteroids are in this belt. They come in all shapes and sizes. Some asteroids are very large. Others are as small as pebbles. Sometimes asteroids crash into planets and moons. Cosmic snowballs. Comets. Comets are like dirty snowballs. They are made of ice, dust, and rock. When a comet gets close to the Sun, its ice starts to melt. This melting ice creates a tail that streams out behind the comet. Comets can be seen from Earth when they get close enough. Some comets have very long tails that stretch for millions of kilometers. Comets are leftovers from the early solar system. Magnificent moons, more than just sidekicks. Planets have moons. Moons are like smaller companions that orbit planets. Some planets have many moons, while others have only a few. Our moon controls the tides on Earth. Some moons are very interesting places. Jupiter's moon Europa has a salty ocean under its icy surface. Saturn's moon Titan has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane. Scientists think these moons could potentially have life. The Kuiper Belt and beyond. Beyond Neptune is the Kuiper Belt. It's a region of icy objects. Pluto is in the Kuiper Belt. Pluto used to be considered a planet. Now it's called a dwarf planet. There are other dwarf planets in the Kuiper Belt, like Eris and Makemake. Even farther out is the Oort Cloud. It's a giant sphere of icy objects that surrounds our solar system. It's the edge of the Sun's influence. Keep exploring. Our solar system is an amazing place, full of wonders and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. There is so much to discover. From the scorching sun, with its intense heat and solar flares, to the icy comets that journey through space, each object has a story to tell. The planets with their unique characteristics and moons, the asteroid belt, and the countless other celestial bodies. We are still learning about our solar system. Scientists and astronomers work tirelessly, using advanced technology and space probes to gather new data. New discoveries are made all the time. Space exploration is important because it pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and helps us understand the universe better. It helps us understand our place in the universe. By studying distant galaxies and observing the Earth from space, we gain insights into the origins and future of our own planet. Keep looking up at the stars and never stop exploring. The night sky is a gateway to endless possibilities and adventures. Want to learn more about the mysteries of space? There are countless resources available, from books and documentaries to planetarium shows. Subscribe now for more cosmic adventures. Join us as we continue to explore the vastness of space and uncover its secrets.